All right, currently I have the globular cluster M15 in the constellation Pegasus in the eyepiece of the 12-inch Dobsonian Telescope. I am currently using my 30mm wide field 2-inch eyepiece to view this object. So let's have a look at where it's located in the night sky, and then we will get on with the sketch. M15 is a globular cluster found in the constellation Pegasus. M15 is around a magnitude 6.2 and lies roughly 33,600 light-years from Earth. This globular cluster is estimated to be 12 billion years old with a diameter of 175 light-years and an apparent diameter of 18 arc-minutes. M15 is assumed to have around 100,000 stars, including 112 variable stars and 8 pulsars. There are only 2 other globular clusters that are known to have more variable stars, and those are M3 and Omega Centauri. The brightest stars in M15 are at magnitude 12.6, which would make them more luminous than our Sun by about 1,000 times. Now that we know where we're looking in the night sky, let's get on with the sketch. So typically with globular clusters, I start off the sketch by creating a little glow, and this one I made relatively small, and then afterwards I used the stippling technique to place the stars within the globular cluster. This technique doesn't need precision because trying to get these stars placed exactly how they are in the night sky through your eyepiece that's just going to be impossible. This globular cluster is relatively densely packed. It's very round looking. There doesn't seem to be any offshoots of stars, and they don't really seem to fade out a whole lot away from the central core of the globular cluster. Maybe a little bit, but not too much. If you saw my video of M2, you'll see that globular cluster didn't have a lot of bright stars in the field of view. M15, this has a lot more brighter stars and a lot less dim stars in the field of view. Very nice view overall. I like the star patterns around it. It's just really nice. It really frames the globular cluster nicely. Do a few final touch-ups and make sure I got everything I can in this field of view, and that's about it for this sketch, so let's go have a look at the final drawing.